जनता पार्टी हो या आरएसएस के हो, उनकी जो ट्रेनिंग कैंप है वो हिंदू टेररिज्म बढ़ाने का काम देख रहे हैं।
There is a recently uncovered phenomenon of saffron terrorism that has been implicated in many bomb blasts of the past.
അതിന് എന്നോട് പറയുന്നത് പാകിസ്ഥാനിലേക്ക് പോകാൻ ആർക്കാ അവർ അവകാശം കൊടുത്തിരിക്കുന്നത് തീരുമാനിക്കാൻ ഞാൻ അവരെ പോലെ ഒരു ഹിന്ദുവല്ല, അതുകൊണ്ട് എനിക്ക് ഈ രാജ്യത്ത് താമസിക്കാൻ അവകാശമില്ല. എന്താ ഇപ്പൊ ഹിന്ദുയിസമിൽ ഒരു വരാൻ തുടങ്ങിയോ?
मंदिर में जाते हैं, मत्था टेकते हैं, देवी की पूजा करते हैं, वही लोग आपको बस में छेड़ते हैं।
क्योंकि जो साधु संत होता है तो सबके लिए होता है, बाटों काटों में क्यों है? हाँ, जो लोगों को बोलते हैं बटेंगे तो कटेंगे, ये साधु का काम, नाथ पंथ का काम है। अरे ये काम कोई टेररिस्ट बोल सकता है।
Viewers, good evening. Tonight, we must take a stand against a disturbing new trend. What is that trend, viewers? You sampled some reactions from leaders of the India bloc. This trend threatens the very fabric of our society. The malicious attacks on Saffron and Sanatan, fueled by hatred and intolerance, must be condemned, viewers, in the strongest possible terms. We cannot remain silent when leaders like Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge cross all lines of civility and compare Yogi Adityanath to a terrorist. He just did. This kind of rhetoric, viewers, is not only divisive but also deeply dangerous, as this seeks to demonize an entire community. Viewers, you would remember the term saffron terror was coined to malign and stereotype. But we must not let that stick. Viewers, saffron, a sacred color in many cultures, represents spirituality. It represents wisdom. Saffron represents courage. It is the color of the sun that rises every morning, symbolizing hope and new beginnings. But what have we seen over the last few days? Head of mutts being compared to mafias, saffron-clad sadhus linked to hate, Mahakumbh being called a scam, and now the mother of all invectives, Yogi Adityanath compared to a terrorist. Just think about it, viewers. There's a pattern to all of this. I just have one thing to ask. Would this ecosystem even dare to say something along these lines about religious figures from other faiths, and with such impunity? You know the answer. It's very clear. They would not. Which is why we are asking, is this a result of the offer given by the ulemas? Will India Alliance demonize Sanatan and Saffron and bend over backwards to please a vote bank?
कह रहा हूं उनको, बीजेपी को, या तो सफेद कपड़े डालो, या तो सन्यासी कपड़े डालते हो, गेरुआ डालते हो, पॉलिटिक्स से बाहर हो जाओ। जो साधु संत होता है वो सबके लिए होता है, बाटों काटों में क्यों जा रहे? हाँ, जो लोगों को बोलते हैं बटेंगे तो कटेंगे, ये साधु का काम है, नाथ पंथ का काम है। अरे ये काम कोई टेररिस्ट बोल सकता है, आप नहीं बोल सकते।
अब खड़गे जी, जिन्होंने कहा कि गेरुआ वस्त्र वाले लोग राजनीति में ना आए, साधु संत राजनीति में ना आए, मौलवी मौलानाओं के लिए कुछ नहीं बोला, उन्होंने अब बोला है कि योगी जी, मतलब कि साधु संत जो है वो आतंकी की भाषा बोलते हैं। सनातन को बीमारी और सनातन को समाप्त करने के बाद खड़गे जी बोलते हैं कि योगी जी, जो कि गोरखनाथ पीठ के मठाधीश है, जो कि बहुत ही बड़े धार्मिक ओहदे पर बैठे हैं, वो एक आतंकी की तरह बोलते हैं।
अगर आप गेरुआ पहनकर पॉलिटिक्स करते हो तो फिर बात वही रखो जो हमारे संस्कार हैं, सनातन धर्म के संस्कार हैं, उनकी बात करो। फिर आप नफरत की भाषा बोलोगे तो वो कोई बर्दाश्त नहीं करेगा।
खरगे जी ने स्पष्ट कर दिया है कि उनको हर वो व्यक्ति आतंकवादी दिखता है जो सैफरन पहनता है। आज खरगे जी ने स्पष्ट कर दिया कि अगर उनकी सरकार आती है तो जैसे यूपीए की सरकार थी तो वो कम्युनल वायलेंस बिल लेके आएंगे। आज ये स्पष्ट हो चुका है कि कांग्रेस पार्टी हिंदुओं को और गेरुआ पहनने वालों को आतंकवादी समझती है।
Let's open this up. RP Singh, National Spokesperson of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Karan Verma, political analyst. Ishkaran Bhandari also with us. Kamruzaman Chaudhary. Imran Ahmad Ali, lawyer and analyst. Mohammad Tariq Khan, National Spokesperson of the Samajwadi Party. Sanjay Gupta will be joining us, leader of Shiv Sena, Uddhav faction. Kamruzaman Chaudhary, where will you stop? Chahte kya hai aap log? Where will you draw the line? Last night, we were on a debate and you said that gold from all the Hindu temples must be taken away, distributed. Today your party president is comparing Yogi Adityanath to a terrorist. Has the Congress completely lost it? Or are you doing this deliberately to appease the vote bank in Maharashtra and elsewhere?
No, Pranesh, at the outset, I must congratulate the deep state ecosystem of the Hindutva forces in the country for bringing out a trivial issue into the public domain. And can you please correct the echo, please?
We'll try and fix it.
Okay. Let me just cite you some comparisons out here.
No,
Why
no,
Kharge ji
no,
said
1 minute,
today,
sir.
in today's context, I'm
Mr.
telling
Chaudhary,
you.
look,
We all
I
know
have
that-
this bad habit of stopping people if they don't make sense. You are saying that this is a trivial issue. I ask you, how dare you? Will you say the same thing if something along the lines, not even this comment, something remotely close to the Atanki comment was said about religious figures from other denominations? Will you do it? You will not. You will have to issue an apology, outright
Can I
apology within 30 minutes of the comment having gone viral. I'm telling you this.
No. Pranesh, instead of dog whistling, permit me just a limited time so that I can explain the point why I stand with Kharge ji tonight. We all know how revered Swami Vivekananda is in our Indian society. So what did Swami Vivekananda say about the Indian culture and the multiplurality in the Indian society? He told it's the Indian soul that consists of the Hindu body and the Muslim soul that constitutes the Indian soul. Now these same people in the garb of being a sadhu, they spread terror in the name of governance. They have used bulldozer justice, which even the Supreme Court has banned. They have spoken about cutting and batenge to katenge, all those type of slogans they're bringing out to divide the society on religious lines. They speak about 80-20 politics. They have brought in legislation that venomizes a particular community in the country. They have even let loose the goons of the cow vigilante groups. They have brought in a bogey about the demographic change in the country. All does not hold. Even you see the vote jihad, the love jihad, the land jihad, all are hypothetical stories brought about these saffron goons who are ruling the country right now. And I won't be apologetic to point out and expose these goons in saffron who are ruling the country and the states now. I will not mince my words like Kharge ji out here. But the fact remains, this is not the India that Swami Vivekananda saw and professed. This is not the India that the founding fathers of India have seen. You have brought in history's old problems.
No, 1 minute. Kamruzaman Chaudhary, 1 minute. Don't get me started on the founding fathers of India. If I ask you 2 questions on Ambedkar, you will leave the show. I don't want to go there. Let me start by telling what you've said. You said people in garb of being a sadhu. Do you know Yogi Adityanath is the chief priest of the Goraknath temple? महंत है वो, आप उनको बोल रहे हैं garb of being a sadhu. You 1 minute, sir, 1 minute. कमरुज़मान जी, calm down.
Yes.
1 minute. सुन तो लीजिए, अभी तो शुरुआत है. सुन लीजिए.
He is not fit to be the chief minister of the state.
You will decide. Congress party will decide who is fit to become the chief minister. What is this? The Indira era, the Rajiv era? No, what will you? You will dislodge elected, democratically elected governments.
You have asked me an
You will decide.
That's my opinion.
You will decide whether Yogi Adityanath is fit to be the chief minister or Modi is fit to be the prime minister. Let the people decide. The people have spoken their mind, Kamruzaman Chaudhary. This is not some banana republic, and this is not the Congress election or 24 Akbar Road. We have a governance model. We have a functioning constitutional democracy. Then you are talking about saffron goons. Does terror have a color? Tell me. Is saffron the color of terror?
Multidimensional poverty in Uttar Pradesh
is saffron the color of terror?
But you bring out
Kamruzaman Chaudhary, answer my question. Answer my question. Look how, no, look at the way you are talking about sadhus. Try and say this about clerics. See what happens to you. I don't know whether you will be on the debate tomorrow or not. Try and say something along the lines you said. Say something about the clerics. Say and see what happens to you. I am asking you a question. I am asking you a question. Does terror have a color? Answer the question. Is saffron the color of terror? Is saffron the terror? No, 1 minute. Is saffron the color of terror? Answer that question. Sushil Kumar Shinde, P. Chidambaram, Mallikarjun Kharge. Tell me, who has told you that saffron is the color of terror?
You have asked me a question, have the patience to listen to the answer, then you can open up the debate. You asked the same question to Narottam Mishra, the erstwhile Madhya Pradesh Home Minister. उसने इतना बवाल कर दिया एक गाना को लेकर because the lady actor out there was wearing a saffron sari.
There is a clip on 1 minute. There is a Kamruzaman Chaudhary, if you don't know, there is a clip on YouTube. See what I did to Narottam Mishra. Go and see that clip. You tell me, is saffron the color of terror? Yes or no?
No, I don't need to see because
of course. What is saffron goons?
I said.
What is saffron goons? Kamruzaman Chaudhary, what is saffron goons? Bataiye.
Pranesh, don't get excited and
I am not.
Into
I am not. I am not allowing this 1 minute, sir. I am not allowing this kind of commentary on my show. Sorry. What is saffron goons? How dare you say that? No, what are you thinking? No, what are you thinking? That I will start with you, then go to the other guest, then the show will end and it's all over. What is saffron goons?
It's not the question out there.
Are there green goons?
That's what I'm coming to.
Are there green goons? Are there brown goons? Are there black goons? What is saffron goons? Imran Ahmad Ali? What is the color of terror?
Deep state Hindutva have weaponized.
Imran Ahmad Ali speaking. 1 minute.
Yeah. So, the whole problem with this whole debate is that let's not say that there are saffron goons or green goons. We need to understand that we can't be hypocrites here. Why I say that is that when you talk about your individual right to express your religion, to participate in it, to profess it in the manner you want, it does not have to have a color. Everyone does not have to come in white to the parliament. I am of the opinion that if the last week, in fact, there was a debate going on where it was about Iran, about how the lady had stripped her clothes in university because she was not allowed to enter without a hijab. Now, in that debate, I absolutely said, it is your individual right to express yourself, to dress however you want. So let's not have double standards. If Yogi Adityanath or anybody else wants to go to parliament wearing whatever they want, absolutely with reasonable restrictions, you can't go there wearing anything you want. But yes, if you want to wear saffron, you want to be saffron clad, why not?
You're saying that.
So I'm not a hypocrite to say that, okay,
Imran Ahmad
when
Ali,
it comes,
answer a simple
when it
question.
comes
Do you agree with what Mr. Kharge says?
Let me just finish.
आप जैसी भाषा का इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं वो कोई आतंकी बोल सकता है. Can you compare Yogi Adityanath to a terrorist? Yesterday he said people who wear saffron spread hate.
The problem with politics of hatred is this. When you talk about unity, when it comes to the Prime Minister saying ek hai to safe hai, I would, in a utopian world, want this to be pan-India. I don't want this merely as an inclusion of only SCs, STs, OBCs.
That's not my
when
question.
Imran
Ahmad Ali, 1 minute. Answer my questions. One minute. Imran Ahmad Ali. No. There is no room for deflection here. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Imran. Yeah. Answer my question. Do you agree with this comment comparing Yogi Adityanath to a terrorist because of what he wears? That's the first part of my question. Answer that, then I'll ask you something.
It doesn't depend on what. Absolutely not.
Then condemn Mr. Khadge
for expressing the religion how they want can be. Absolutely. I also condemn that. I also condemn the fact that anyone stopping a woman from wearing an hijab if she wants to, even that should be condemned. I'm not a hypocrite.
Absolutely.
I can't say that on one side she should be allowed to wear her hijab, on the other side
the only nuance in the hijab debate, Imran, the only nuance in the hijab debate, 1 minute, I'll answer your question. I'm glad you've taken a position, but what will you tell the likes of Kamruzaman Chaudhary, who's justifying every word of Mr. Khadge? And when I asked him, is saffron the color of terror? Because by his logic, what if just imagine if I were to ask him, what does Hafiz Saeed wear? Or how have you seen Salahuddin in public? He'll have a hard time even answering that question. Ishtaran, what is this going on? This is not Sanatan slander. This is now Sanatan intolerance to the power of 100.
Yes. Pranesh, firstly, my thanks to you that you noticed and pinned the person down when he was casually using the word saffron goons or goons in saffron. It is not new. It's an agenda. As James Bond said, once is a happenstance, 2 times is coincidence, 3rd time it is enemy action. And the list is very long. Do you remember the ecosystem economist who coined the term Hindu rate of growth when our economy was not growing? If you have bad policies, if you have socialist policies, if you have 97% taxation and economy does not grow, how does Hindu get blamed for that? And they wrote articles blaming the Hindu DNA, Hindu sense of doing business, why economy is not doing, while throttling everybody and keeping everything in state control. How did economy get Hindu? And when the economy rose, do they call it Hindu rate of growth now when it was 8%, 10%? This is how you use pejorative words in economy. Now let me come to the second example, the famous example of coining the word Hindu terror. A nation which is a Hindu majority nation, there understand the global impact. Politicians were coining the term saffron terror, Hindu terror, and those people still haven't been held to account. The agenda was to globally put Sanatan Dharam, put Hindus into difficulty. The third example, Ajmal Kasab, who comes wearing a kaleva on his hand, dressed as a Hindu, appearing to be some Sameer Chaudhary or some other name he wanted to be. And but for Shri Tukaram Omle ji, who I believe deserves Bharat Ratan, I do not know why he is not gotten, they would have spread that as a Hindu conspiracy. And there were Congress leaders who released book 26/11 RSS ki sajish. So it is not one step, Pranesh. It is continuous systematic steps to create a false fake narrative of Hindu terror, so to satisfy a particular vote bank and to bring Hindus across the world into deep trouble.
आरपी सिंह जी, जो लेप्रेसी HIV से शुरू हुआ था, अब कांग्रेस ने फिर से अपना पुराना जो प्लेबुक था उससे एक वो जो एग्जाम्पल है फिर बोरो कर लिया. अब वो ये वापस हिंदू टेरर, सैफरन टेरर पे आ गए. क्या आपको लगता है ये जो उलेमा का ऑफर था उसके बाद ये ऐसा कर रहे हैं?
Parnesh, what can you expect from a Muslim party? Well, they have themselves acknowledged they are a Muslim party. That's why they have to talk like Sanatan is a virus, or they have to support statement like Sanatan is a virus, or Sanatan is HIV. Now, Hindu terror. Oh, Hindu terrorism is bigger terror threat than Lashkar-e-Toba. But that's what Rahul Gandhi said. And in close room, they state that we are a Muslim party, so let's do whatever we can to demean the Hinduism or the saffron for that regard. I mean, Mr. Kamal Nath in a close room, that video is viral, where he said, if you can vote for us, we will win election. There is a statement which is on Google, where Rahul Gandhi has stated in Kashmir to some journalists or some editors in a close room that we are a Muslim party. So we don't expect much from the Muslim party. They are within the right to say what they have to say. But as you rightly said, this is a challenge for them to say the same for any person from any other religion. Let them say some about similar things for some ulama, some mufti, some mulana. Well, even I can't afford, neither they can afford, and neither no one should say such word for any religious head, or for that castigizing the complete Hindu saffron ideology, or a saffron as such, saying that yeah, Hindu, that's what he used, batenge katenge is a terror statement. I mean, I'm shocked. Maulana Sahab, sorry, Khadge Sahab, request है please उसको English translation करा लीजिए. And I request Yogi ji, next time when he says he should translate it in English and say divided we fall, united we stand, divided we fall. But simple as it is. And then tell me one statement of the Prime Minister or of a leader where they put it into religion perspective. And give me another second. And also, I can't forget a time when Manmohan Singh ji said that the first right on resources of the country is of Muslims. Whereas, do you know all the beneficiary schemes of the Prime Minister Modi ji, the major beneficiaries are of
No, look, Mr. RP Singh, I think you're confusing issues. One has no problems. Mr. Singh, 1 minute. No one is here, on the panel at least, is of the opinion that do not praise Muslims. Do not say, words to, I don't know, thank them, support them, do what you want. But stop this, abuse spree on Hindus, on Sanatan and Saffron. Now, there is a pattern, concerted effort. And I played out some reactions in the beginning of the show. Hindu terror, Saffron terror, Yogi Adityanath compared to a Hindu. We have Sanjay Gupta of the Uddhav Sena. संजय गुप्ता जी, ये क्या हो क्या रहा है इंडिया अलायंस में? योगी आदित्यनाथ आतंकी हैं क्या?
बड़ी अजीब बात है कि कांग्रेस के नेता, वो भी अध्यक्ष पद पे जो वो इस तरह की स्टेटमेंट दें, तो कई बार बहुत कुछ सोचना पड़ जाता है. मुझे लगता है कि AK एंटनी साहब से सीखने की जरूरत है. आज से 1 साल पहले AK एंटनी साहब ने स्टेटमेंट दी थी कि कांग्रेस को हिंदुओं के फेवर की बात भी करनी चाहिए, लेकिन मुझे लगता है कि कांग्रेस ने उससे कुछ सीखा नहीं. अगर AK एंटनी साहब से वो कुछ सीखते तो शायद वो इस तरह के शब्दों का इस्तेमाल ना करते. जिस तरह से मिस्टर दिग्विजय सिंह जी ने भी एक बार इस तरह का शब्द इस्तेमाल किया था, जिस वक्त भगवा आतंकवाद का एक वो नेता थी जिनका मालेगांव में नाम आया था.
नहीं, 1 से 1 नेता है.
1 मिनट के अंदर उन्होंने भगवान
और 1 से 1 बयान है. मैं तो आपसे संजय गुप्ता जी ये जानना चाहता हूं कि आप लोग कब तक अलायंस में ऐसे कॉम्प्रोमाइज करते रहेंगे? सावरकर को गाली देते हैं, ये सनातन को देते हैं, अब साधु संत को देखिए क्या बोल रहे हैं. ये कब तक रहेंगे आप अलायंस में? निकल जाइए. आप आज अनाउंस कर दीजिए. आप कहिए कमरुज़मान चौधरी, तारिक खान, इमरान अहमद अली, हम तो चले अपने रास्ते. बोल दीजिए आज संजय जी.
देखिए, हमारी पार्टी के ज़्यादातर नेता बहुत बार इस बात पर मंथन करते हैं और ज़्यादातर नेता ये चाहते हैं कि इनके लाइन से वापस आ जाएं.
देखिए,
फाइनल डिसीजन उद्धव जी ने लेना है और बहुत बार उन्होंने मंथन किया भी है इस बात पर, और लेकिन वो चीज़ सिरे नहीं चढ़ पाई. हम तो उस दिन गंगा जी नहा जाएंगे जिस दिन इनके गठबंधन से बाहर आ जाएंगे.
नहीं तो ये देखिए, अब संजय गुप्ता बोल रहे हैं
कि मैं तो गंगा जी में नहा के आऊंगा.
इनको राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज. At least Sanjay Gupta is calling out what is wrong. बाल ठाकरे भी सैफरन पहनते थे. अगर वो जिंदा होते तो सोचिए क्या होता. वो भी बाला साहब भी सैफरन पहनते थे. ये बोल रहे हैं कि सैफरन हेट्रेड है, सैफरन टेरर है, योगी आदित्यनाथ आतंकी है. मोहम्मद तारिक खान, तारिक भाई आप बताइए, हैंड ऑन योर हार्ट, ये योगी आदित्यनाथ को आतंकी से कंपेयर करना सही है?
देखिए, ऐसा है कि ही इज द हेड प्रीस्ट ऑफ गोरखनाथ टेम्पल एज वेल एज द चीफ मिनिस्टर, एंड ही इज ऑल्सो एज अ चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ पॉलिटिकल फिगर. So we have to decide what is he. He has all the advantage to say anything to anybody. Means a political figure like Rahul Gandhi, Bittu, a central minister, could call him a terrorist. It's all right. It's okay. Fine. Very good. We should clap on that. Very good. Rahul Gandhi is a terrorist. But when another political figure who's also a saint, means you have double role. So decided whether you are a saint or
नहीं, क्यों इससे पहले लोग डबल रोल में नहीं रहे क्या? आपको मैं लिस्ट पढ़ के बताऊं डबल रोल का?
रखिए अपने आप को, मगर पॉलिटिकल फिगर के बारे में ऐसी बातें कही जाती रही हैं।
नहीं तो कही जाती रही हैं। राहुल गांधी को जब जिसने भी टेररिस्ट कहा उसको सबने कंडेम किया। और आप देखिए कैसे आप नहीं डबल रोल क्या होता है? डबल रोल क्या होता है? डबल रोल क्या होता है? आपको मैं एग्जांपल पढ़ के बताऊं डबल रोल क्या होता है? तारिक खान, व्हाट इज डबल रोल?
सेंट भी है, मुख्यमंत्री भी है,
तो आप मजाक उड़ाएंगे?
पॉलिटिकल फिगर है।
नो, बिकॉज ही वेयर सैफरन यू विल कॉल हिम अ टेररिस्ट।
आप राहुल गांधी को टेररिस्ट कहेंगे क्योंकि वो अपोजिशन का लीडर है,
इसीलिए आप कहेंगे someone, so everybody who wears saffron is a terrorist.
राहुल गांधी का नाक
There you go.
काटेंगे आप।
Karan, this is the mindset, and this is, by the way, just look at the choice of words, the tone. This is deliberate to appease the vote bank.
Right. So, Pranesh, it's a very famous video and I would want your viewers to check it. Back in 2009, their leader, Mulayam Singh Yadav, stood on the floor of the house and told Yogi Adityanath, a young MP at that time, कि अरे तुम क्या कर रहे हो यहाँ, बाबा भागो यहाँ से, जाओ मंदिर में घंटा बजाओ, यहाँ क्या कर रहे हो, तुम्हारी यहाँ जरूरत नहीं है. This is the mindset that they've carried. It's come right from the top, right from Mulayam Singh Yadav. They cannot stomach कि एक भगवाधारी आज सीएम है और इतना सफल सीएम है और 37 इयर्स में पहली बार री इलेक्ट होकर एक सीएम आया है. तो ये तो हो गई उनकी बात. दूसरी बात प्रणेश, जरा ये जो कमरू जमान है जो बहुत ज्ञान दे रहे हैं यहां साधुत्व के बारे में, इन्होंने सनातन के बारे में पता नहीं क्या पढ़ा है, नहीं पढ़ा है, कितना जानते हैं, मैं आज इनको जरा थोड़ा ज्ञान दे दूं, इनको पता नहीं होगा. हमारे यहां 4000 नागा साधु थे जो गोकुल में खड़े थे अब्दाली का सामना करने. अब्दाली के 40,000 सैनिक को मार के भगा दिया था उन्होंने जब वो आया था गोकुल. तो आप जरा इतिहास पढ़िए, ये अब्दाली ने खुद लिखा हुआ अपने मेमोयर में. तो our sadhus can even pick up weapons if required. They can govern. They can send messages of spirituality. We don't need certification from a Maulana like you. Get this clear, Mr. Kamru Zaman. अगली बार सनातन या सैफरन या इसको गंदा नाम देने से पहले 10 बार सोचना. आपको अगर ज्ञान ना हो, बोला मत करिए साधुत्व के बारे में. First learn about this culture, then speak. And thirdly, Pranesh, इनकी हिस्ट्री रही है, सैफरन को तो डिमोनाइज किया, as Ishkaran said. They have a particular hatred for our sadhus, sons and gaurakshaks. I am giving you examples. 7th November 1966, Indira Gandhi ordered firing on gaurakshaks right in front of the Sansad Bhavan. Can you imagine? 300 people died. After that, Kanchi Shankaracharya, what did Sonia Gandhi do? Back in 2004, she arrested him on frivolous charges. That man got sick in 2013. He was acquitted of all charges. Palghar Sadhus, what happened with the Palghar Sadhus lynching? Uddhav Thackeray's police failed and he filed an affidavit to not transfer this case to the CBI. So this is their history. More than ever today, never before have we seen a need for बटेंगे तो कटेंगे. There are examples of that. And by the way, जो ये हमारे एक political analyst हैं इमरान जी जो कह रहे थे कि बटेंगे कटेंगे should not be for one. What did the Prime Minister say? I am quoting, हिंद देश के निवासी सभी जन एक हैं. इससे क्लियर क्या हो सकता है कि बटेंगे कटेंगे और एक रहेंगे, सेफ रहेंगे? It's for everyone. It is not for one religion specific. But yes, what is one religion specific is the hatred, pathological hatred by these people towards Sanatan, towards Hinduism and towards saffron.
No, I want to focus a little bit on this double role. Double role क्या है? देखिए, Ishtaran, it's not the first time that you have someone wearing saffron or someone who's also a religious figure dabbling in politics.
Yes. Yes. Pranesh, the problem is this only, because they believe they have to satisfy a particular vote bank and that particular vote bank gets happy by this. So they have left the great majority of Indians and have an objection with saffron. I started with the economic theory. I gave the example from economics. How can you say a slow growth rate of economy is due to Hinduism and term it as Hindu rate of growth? Or a terror which happens in India, you call it Hindu terror, saffron terror. So, and you try to give a clean check to Pakistan in 26/11. Also, while in power, they did not take any action on Pakistan after 26/11. You know what all actions could have been taken. That was an attack, nothing less than what happened to America in 9/11. It was maybe bigger than that, but no action was taken. So this mindset of blaming all evils, all ills of India on Hinduism, on Sanatan Dharma is percolating into every sphere, and that needs to be called out what you are doing on this debate, and also that has exposed them to the people of this nation. That is why 3 consecutive elections they have not even crossed 100 seats.
तारिक खान, अगर कोई डबल रोल में है तो आप उसको टेररिस्ट बोलेंगे?
No, what I am saying that you are also a political figure. Now, in history, when we rewind the pages, we see that people of political figure has been used by these type of words. I have given examples of BJP leaders. I'm just saying that these words are used for a political figure who is a chief minister. If you can use these type of words towards, listen to me, towards a leader of opposition, anybody can be could be seen saying these type of things. 5 more seconds. 5 more seconds. You have given second highest honor award to Netaji Mulayam Singh Yadav. Okay? और समाजवादी पार्टी ने कोई एप्लीकेशन नहीं दी थी. कान खोल के सुन लीजिए, नेताजी का नाम मत लेके आया करिए बीच में.
क्यों नेताजी का नाम क्यों नहीं आना चाहिए? ये नेताजी ने बोला था. नेताजी ने बोला था. नेताजी ने बोला था. क्यों आपके नेताजी पॉलिटिक्स में नहीं थे? नेताजी पॉलिटिक्स में नहीं थे. नेताजी पॉलिटिक्स में थे. नेताजी पॉलिटिक्स में थे. तारिक खान, नेताजी का एग्जाम्पल आया तो क्यों बुरा लग रहा है आपको? नेताजी भी तो पॉलिटिक्स में थे. नेताजी का डबल रोल था. नेताजी का कोई डबल रोल था क्या? डबल रोल था. Was Mulayam Singh Yadav in any double role? Why are you objecting? Why are you objecting to the Mulayam Singh example? We have that clip. If you want, we can play that out. He said this on floor of the house. He said this. It reflects a mindset. Now, Mohammad Tariq Khan, now answer a question. 1 minute. Listen, I understand your political compulsions. Our viewers can also see through that you will not condemn Mr. Khadge, because the moment you condemn Khadge, you will have to take a position on Akhilesh Yadav. Akhilesh Yadav had said, Tariq Khan, listen to this. Akhilesh Yadav said, he compared Mathadish to Mafia. वहां कौन सा डबल रोल है? मठाधीश तो एक ही रोल है ना. मठाधीश माफिया में कहां है डबल रोल? बताइए.
सिंपल, उस पे नहीं. पहले मैं अपनी बात कहूं.
नहीं, अपनी बात नहीं, ये सवाल का जवाब दीजिए.
नेताजी का नाम बीच में न लाया करें.
नहीं, क्यों?
रिक्वेस्ट है, हम्बल.
नहीं, हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट क्या? मैं आपका ही लॉजिक एक्सटेंड कर रहा हूं. डबल रोल, नेताजी डबल रोल में थे. नेताजी डबल रोल में थे.
नेताजी सेंट नहीं थे. डबल रोल की बात ही नहीं है यहाँ.
आपने किया डबल रोल की बात. अब आपको बुरा लग रहा है डबल रोल बोल रहा हूं तो सोच के बोलना चाहिए ना आपको. डबल रोल क्या होता है? डबल रोल क्या? फिल्म की कास्टिंग चल रही है. व्हाट इज डबल रोल? व्हाट इज डबल रोल? इज दिस हाउ यू रेफर टू रिलीजियस फिगर्स? डबल रोल क्या होता है?
डबल रोल में है जब आपको लगता है.
नेताजी डबल रोल में थे. नेताजी डबल रोल में थे. नेता was Mulayam Singh Yadav. Was Mulayam Singh Yadav in double role? Was Mulayam Singh Yadav in a double role? You tell me. I know only one role. Maybe you can explain the other role. Now answer the question. Akhilesh Yadav said he compared Mathadish to Mafia.
पार्टी ने अपील किया था आपसे. आपने क्यों सम्मान?
तारिक खान, get over that. अगर नहीं चाहिए तो वापस कर दीजिए. भारत सरकार को वापस कर दीजिए. I am asking your question. Who's objecting to that? I am asking you a question. Mohammad Tariq Khan, calm down. Who's objecting to the honor that Mulayam Singh Yadav got? No one. Iswaran did not object. Karan Verma did not object. RP Singh did not say anything. This is not about the honor. But you will have to take in your stride the criticism of a person. 1 minute, sir. 1 minute. I am asking you a question on what Akhilesh Yadav said. तारिक भाई बता दीजिए, मठाधीश माफिया इसमें कौन सा डबल रोल है? बताइए.
यही स्टेटमेट बीजेपी से दिलवा दीजिए.
मैं आपसे पूछ रहा हूं मठाधीश माफिया क्या होता है? बताइए.
विभूषण वापस करवाने की बात कर रहे थे ना
आप. बताइए.
कहलवा दीजिए.
आप बताइए. इमरान अहमद अली
कहलवा दीजिए.
मठाधीश इज इक्वल टू माफिया. अखिलेश यादव सेड दिस.
You know, I'm against all these statements that you're running again and again. You have to understand, and I'm going back to the question that was specifically posed to me, in which it said that the call for unity is pan-India. If you see the entire speech after that, it also talked about, and it specifically said that if the SC, STs and OBCs are not united, if they get united, the politics of Congress is over. Now, maybe it is my lack of comprehension or my lack of understanding when you specifically exclude everyone apart. For me, the literal translation or the understanding would mean that this is a mere call for unity. However, I completely support what you say. And if this statement can be made at any political rally in general, that we're calling for a unity for all pan-India, I would be very happy.
Yeah,
and let me just finish by saying one thing.
I have to say this. I'm glad that you're taking a principled stand.
Let's all not be hypocrites.
You're being consistent. 1 minute. I applaud that. But I'm telling you the hypocrisy even in the caste angle. Now you see, the BJP today posted an old ad of the Congress party. If you see that ad, and if you compare that to what the Prime Minister is saying, it is the same thing. But this ecosystem would have us believe that Indira was the unifier and Modi is the divider. That is the hypocrisy, Imran. But be that as it may, let's come back to the larger question. Kamruzaman Chaudhary, you will have to today tell our viewers, is saffron the color of terror? And if yes, how?
Okay, I hope I'm given some uninterrupted time out here. You must understand the difference between when we say the Bahurupiyas, the double standards.
Double role. He said double role. You also say something with double.
Adorn the saffron robe as a camouflage, to fool the Indians of this country in the name of religion.
Where will you
That's
stop?
What I can say.
Where will you stop? You are calling the chief priest of the Gorakhnath Mandir Bahurupia. You are calling him Bahurupia Kamruzaman Chaudhary.
Don't.
I'm not allowing. This is not responsible commentary. I'm sorry, Kamruzaman Chaudhary. If you're not interested in having a civilized discourse, leave the debate. Sorry. I can't. Listen, I can't in the interest of civility allow this. I'm sorry. I am sorry. How dare you call him a Bahurupia? He is the chief priest. He is the chief priest of the Gorakhnath Mandir. You are calling him a Bahurupia. You are making it worse. I am asking you, will you say the same thing about someone like George Ponaiya? What is George Ponaiya? Let me ask you. What is George Ponaiya? Have you heard the name before? What is George Ponaiya?
I don't know.
You don't know? Karan, he hasn't heard of George Ponaiya.
I have heard the name of Zakir
Naik.
And
he hasn't heard the name of George Ponaiya. Rahul Gandhi went and, did a full discussion with him.
And George Ponaiya, by the way, spoke of brazen hatred towards Hindus. He said, ये देवी की धरती नहीं है, ये जीसस की धरती है, यहाँ पैर गंदे हो जाते हैं. That sort of language Kamruzaman is fine with. Kamruzaman is fine with eradication of Sanatan being professed. He's even fine with that. सर तन से जुदा में इनको कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. वहां पे इनको सब सेक्युलरिज्म नजर आएगा. यहां पर इनको प्रॉब्लम है. Saffron color is pinching his eye. That is the level of hatred he has, Pranesh. That is why. एक रहेंगे तो सेफ रहेंगे. कमरूजमान जैसे लोगों से बचना है भाई. That is the hatred he is nurturing.
No. For in the larger interest of free speech जो कमरूजमान चौधरी बार-बार इन्वोक करते हैं सनातन बैशिंग में, ये कुछ बोल के तो दिखा दें. जॉर्ज पुनैया के बारे में बोल के दिखा दें. फुरफुरा शरीफ है उसके बारे में बोल के दिखा दें. इनके घर के बाहर कल इतने लोग आ जाएंगे, इनको समझ नहीं आएगा. He can't count the number of people who will assemble. And by the way, this saffron bashing, 1 minute, the Congress party and India alliance, this hate is not just towards our culture. Look at this mindset. You remember what Sam Pitroda had said? We all do. Just to rejog the memory of our viewers, listen to this.
We could hold country together as diverse as India, where people on East look like Chinese, people on West look like Arab, people on North look like, maybe white, and people in South look like Africa.
Kamruzaman Chaudhary, what is going on in the Congress party and India alliance? Chinese, African, Atanki, kya ho gaya aap logon ko? And the latest is this Kalia comment by one of your top leaders in Karnataka. Ye bhi sun lijiye, I am not making this up.
I know you are not making this up. The comment made by him it's a casteist, not a casteist, it's a racist remark. I know that. It's a racist remark. And he should not have said that. I believe in the coming days he will be apologizing on this.
In the coming days.
I don't want to fight and debate over a personal issue out here. It's wrong, and I apologize on behalf of Zamir Sahab.
No, will you apologize for Sam Pitroda? What happened to Sam Pitroda? He was brought back. He was with Rahul Gandhi when Rahul went to America.
Wait. Pranesh, Pranesh, let me finish. But on the broader perspective, the way the nation has been divided on regional lines, on language lines, on caste lines, on religion lines, in the most important part, that is where
what is an excuse to call someone Kalia, Chinese, African? What happened to Sam Pitroda?
No, I'm okay, fine. You say in Jharkhand, the Muslim community has been termed as Ghuspetias by Himanta Biswa Sharma, by Amit Shah, by the Prime Minister himself.
Where is the comment? Play it out. Play out the comment. No, play out the comment. Play out the comment. Play out this comment of where you say Amit Shah said Muslims are infiltrators. Play out 1 minute, 1 minute. 1 minute. You know what you are trying to do? You are calling all Muslims infiltrators. You are calling all Muslim infiltrators. You are calling all Muslims infiltrators. I am asking you if what you are saying is true about Himanta Biswa Sharma and Amit Shah. Play out the clip. Kamruzaman Chaudhary, play out the clip. Aap chalaiye to play out the clip. Chalaiye, play out the clip. Where is the clip?
Pranesh, I don't have to search. You have got a very big research team behind you.
Which is why I am telling you.
Them to play out the
which
clip.
is why I am telling you, sir. Which is why I am telling you.
Not one. That's what I am telling you. What is
I am
the
asking you one question on Sam Pitroda. Sam Pitroda compared Indians to Chinese.
You tell me what is the definition.
Which part of India do you come from?
So you consider...
No, 1 minute. Kamruzaman Chaudhary, calm down. TR Prasad Gowda, leader of the Congress, is also joining the debate. Mr. Gowda, just warm up to the conversation. I am coming to you.
Yes, sir.
Which part of the country do you come from, Kamruzaman Chaudhary?
Do you know that is a context to this debate? Is there any relevance to the context?
I am asking you,
My
sir. This is important. I'll tell you the context.
Apologize.
No.
Wait,
apology
Pranesh.
means nothing.
No, this is
you
not
are
important.
apologizing.
I know where you are
Sam
coming
Pitroda
from.
was brought back. What happened? What
know.
did you do to Sam Pitroda? He called Indians Chinese.
अरे बाबा आपको मालूम है कि एक नॉर्थ ईस्ट का बंदा या कोई लड़की स्टूडेंट अगर दिल्ली में पढ़ रहा है उसको क्या बोला जाता है?
क्या चाइनीज बोलेंगे आप? चाइनीज बोलेंगे?
नेपाली जो ओरिजिन के लोग हैं
चाइनीज बोलेंगे आप?
उसको
चाइनीज बोलेंगे? What are you saying? आप ये सैम 1 minute
दिल्ली में आप जाकर you are
saying I am telling you आप क्या बोलेंगे? No, what are you trying to say? You will call them Chinese. You will call them Chinese. You will call people from Northeast Chinese.
Then who gave you the right to call the Muslims of Jharkhand?
Where is the comment? Where is the comment? Where is the comment? I am telling you, where is the comment? Mr. Gowda, H.D. Kumaraswamy is a Kalia.
Now, who?
Yes, sir.
Is he a Kalia?
Can you repeat the question, sir?
Sir, what is there to repeat in it? Do you think H.D. Kumaraswamy is a Kalia? He was called Kalia by Zamir Ahmed.
You mean to say Jamir Ahmed called him Kalia?
Yes, sir.
Okay. That is, see, it is the personal statement of Jamir Ahmed Khan. And it is not the statement from party side. It is a personal statement. At the end of the day, they are the good friends. And he only clarified, Jamir Ahmed Khan himself clarified that we are good friends. Out of love, I called him.
Do you know what JDS has tweeted out of love?
That is
Have you seen the JDS post?
Himself one second. Don't give the and BJP is giving taking advantage of this.
Taking advantage
to bank upon this statement.
So Ishkaran, this Kalia comment is out of the Mohabbat ki dukan. He says this is out of love. Mohabbat ki dukan se nikal raha hai ye Kalia comment. They are justifying it. It's out of love. So you call a Chinese, call people from Northeast Chinese out of love. HDK was called Kalia out of love. Yogi was referred to as Atanki out of love. God save the country. Shut the Mohabbat ki dukan or we will all be, I don't know what happens to all of us.
Pranesh, this defense looks like the defense of a person who beats his wife, is a wife beater, and says, no, this is my way of showing affection. Well, at least in Bharat, it doesn't happen broadly. Or it is the way of somebody stealing, robbing, and saying, no, I am just doing wealth redistribution. When you call somebody such objectionable terms, it does not lie in your mouth to say it is a joke, it's an affection, it is a lovely statement to make. And the very fact that what happened with Sam Pitroda, before that with Manish Shankar Iyer, do you remember his statement in 2013 or 2014 early कि प्रधानमंत्री मोदी उस समय तो नहीं थे, यहाँ पे सिर्फ चाय का वितरण कर सकते हैं कांग्रेस के वहां पे, and other objectionable statements. When you reward those sort of people, when during elections you suspend Sam Pitroda, but immediately thereafter you bring him back, you reward him, that is legitimizing such behavior. When somebody says objectionable racist things, when somebody says misogynistic things, and you award him and reward him, that shows it is a collective party view, because it is not happening for the first time, and the party view gets established from the top of the party, which in case of Sam Pitroda, who is a personal friend of the Rahul Gandhi family, shows what their mindset is.
आरपी सिंह, ये देखिए मोहब्बत की राजनीति है, ये आउट ऑफ लव बोला उन्होंने एचडीके को कालिया, तो बीजेपी क्यों ऑब्जेक्ट कर रही है?
Gowda Sahab should say that he said it only for individual, or he is casting the complete Vokalinga community in that frame. He needs to answer that. Gowda Sahab is a Vokalinga himself. So if someone calls Vokalingas as Kalia, or one leader of Vokalingas as Kalia, that shows the mindset of the Congress party. They have done this throughout. They divide this country on name of religion, caste, color, creed. I mean, they have been good at it, and now they are doing it openly. And now he can try to retrace back his saying that no, he's a friend. But who calls a friend a Kalia in a public domain? When someone can use a cuss word for a friend and say, no, I just use it because I use it in a personal level, so I'm using it in a public domain also now. So something like that. But that's how Congress has been. I mean, they have tried to benefit out of this, and then they think they can do this by using such foul language or such words for individual, and that to a leader like Kumaraswamy ji. But will he use the same word for Kharge ji? Or will he use the same word for Priyank Kharge ji? No, he can't afford, he can't dare to do that. Although if the issue of color goes, then the color is the same. But that's how, what I'm saying, Congress mindset is that way, that divide country into caste, color, creed, and then try to rule this country.
What are you trying to show?
They did so,
what are you trying to show on your mobile phone?
Yeah, Pranesh, you have challenged me to show where Hemanta Biswa Sharma, the biggest, the Hemanta Biswa Sharma statement and reference to the Guspetiya Saka Muslims of Jharkhand. What he says, I am reading you verbatim as a news article out here. Hemanta Sharma warns Jharkhand against Guspetiya, and in the same line says Muslim population in Assam has reached 40%. Now, will Pranesh apologize to the viewers? Or will I be?
इसमें apology किस बात पे चाहिए आपको?
That this is a genuine
Muslim population has increased. I should apologize.
Because you challenged me.
I should apologize because the Muslim population has gone up.
I asked you who are the Guspetiyas in.
So where is he talking about Muslims?
Because
are you equating Muslims with Guspetiyas? Are you equating Muslims with infiltrators? Karan Verma, look at this. Look at this devious design.
Let me answer this. देखिए प्रणेश, चक्कर ये है, कमरू जमान जी आज कुछ पढ़ लिख के नहीं आए हैं. ये स्टेटमेंट झारखंड हाईकोर्ट ने दी है. झारखंड हाईकोर्ट हैज सेड देयर इज अ सीरियस इशू ऑफ इलीगल इमिग्रेशन, इन्फिल्ट्रेशन हैपनिंग, एंड आल्सो द डेमोग्राफी इज चेंजिंग. अब आप झारखंड हाईकोर्ट को भी बुलाएंगे क्या इस्लामोफोबिक? व्हाई आर यू इक्वेटिंग मुस्लिम्स विद इलीगल इमिग्रेंट्स? भाई, इफ दैट इज व्हाट, इफ यू आर मेकिंग दिस कनेक्शन, गुड, you are free to analyze it, but this is what has come from Jharkhand High Court. Leave aside Hemanta Biswa Sharma and Pranesh, this is their mindset, the othering the other. हर समय इसको कालिया बोल दिया, इसको ये बोल दिया. This Sam Pitroda, what is his name? His real name is Satyanarayan Gangaram Pitroda. He hates his name. He hates his roots. This elitist mindset of the Congress, ये हमेशा से रहा है, आज की बात नहीं है. ये अपने को इटली से कम समझते हैं या तो डिसेंट या क्या समझते हैं दिमाग में, I don't know. What did Jawaharlal Nehru do? He hobnobbed with Winston Churchill back in 1955, आजादी के बाद भी, and he said he's the light of Asia. Can you imagine someone who was so denigrating and racist towards India? Jawaharlal Nehru hobnobbed with him. Jawaharlal Nehru appreciated with him. So this is the Congress mindset. They look down on people. What did they do with even Kharge ji? Kharge ji was made to wait outside the room. You remember that visual where he was trying to peep in and get in? He was not allowed to get in. So this is their mindset. Whether it is racist, whether it is discriminating on caste, whether it is dividing people, the Congress just stands exposed today.
Kamruzaman Chaudhary, did you apologize to Mr. Kharge? He was kept outside that room.
This is the...
Was that out of love?
Pranesh, this is the fake news spread by the...
What is fake news?
Ecosystem.
There are enough people, 1 minute.
Party.
There are enough
Kharge
employed,
was,
1 minute, sir, 1 minute. There are enough employed of the ecosystem who will call this out. अगर फेक न्यूज है तो वो आपको पता चल जाएगा, वो देखते हैं शो.
No, you cannot.
वो ध्यान से देखते हैं.
No, already the Congress has issued a statement.
What is the statement? What is the statement?
YouTube channels have already
What is the statement? What is the statement? That this is his personal comment, yet he remains in the party. Pitroda को भी हटा दिया था. He was brought back. Rahul Gandhi was seen with him in America. What is this? Stop this Talia Samba brand of politics. India has now, gone ahead. Voters have punished you in the past. You're still not realizing. Do not stereotype hate. You're playing with fire, Kamruzaman Chaudhary ji. Do not do this. Viewers, that's all the time we have. I thank you for joining the debate. I leave it to your judgment. The news are with Navita Kumar on the other side.